Baby, what you me, I'm a me waba. Some other wires, I'm a me waba. Some baby, what you me, I'm a me waba. Some other wires, I'm a me waba. Some other yam.
Can you imagine? This girl, when did she even come into the area? Tell me. When? And everybody like sees her as a special babe, a special girl. Like,
and I don't even know if she's using some.
I'm very sure she's using something. This is not just a normal person. She's not just a normal person. Because you meet her today. Today is today. Sister, hurry up. People should hurry up and let's go. What do you say she stays around where?
Let's pass.
Yes. Let's go. Today she will tell us where she has been going to. The German 4 boys. Are they? Eddie and who? I'm sure she'll be there. Where is this house? Sister.
Hey, mommy. Mommy. She's the one going. Mommy.
So you're the new babe, the new chick in this area, right? Huh? Hello, woman. We are talking to you. Hey. Who are you? Hey.
Who is who again? Who is who again?
Who are you?
Who are you? Meme come coin. You have the effrontery to stop me. What have I done to you? Who are you? I don't even know you. Where am I?
You're asking who we are?
Yeah.
Okay. We are the area gangs. We are the area mamas in this hood. And who are you two? Tell us.
My name is
Diamond. From where?
How you
snatch our boyfriend from us. So we are here to ask you what you are using. Why everybody turns out to be with you? Why? Everybody is like, there is this new babe in our hood. There's this new.
And she's beautiful.
And
what do you have?
If you are using medicine today, you are going to tell us.
Or
else.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Sorry for yourself.
Mummy and someone in my demo boy.
Of course.
Oh,
you are giving us 360 already.
360
already.
And let me tell you, you are 360.
See. You see this? And then look at this too as well. So, you see this? Look at this. Hey, giving us 360.
Okay, fine.
Like men.
Listen.
Men.
Listen. Me you crazy me. Me Jamaica. No, I'm advising you guys. I'm not insulting you.
Hey.
No. Listen. There is some things Bema in here, and I think you like them.
Really?
Yes.
What are the things? You think we lack something?
Hey, yes, of course.
As ladies.
So, it's very good. So let me just tell you something. You don't have to bark like a dog.
Really?
Yes. Also, you be a ladylike. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you even pamper the guys. Let me stick to you. It's the ones you're wearing now. May your wife dress over your cocotti. As a sour top, but there time with. Wait,
sir.
Let me show you something.
What's that? What's this?
Really?
What's this?
You see how
someone
what?
No. It's not about the mash. It's about how you walk, how you carry yourself.
Hey, woman, let us tell you this.
Lord of mercy. Man got to be, man got to be needed. Hey, like seriously, with a fly. You are the finest girl I've ever seen. Come on. You're too beautiful. Exquisite. Very fine. Really charming. Whoa! Whoa! Come in with me.
But just how by you.
Oh, yes, of course. Like, you know. You look fly. You look awesome. Hey.
As we were saying, we were told to be in our banu.
She's even laughing.
You're laughing because
It is so funny to me.
Okay.
Like somebody we are even arguing with you and a guy just came in
and the guy is talking to you. So we have to
No. And look at this man.
Listen to something.
Bright like the
Channel.
and you shine like the silver. Everything.
Look at this.
All the color that you want to have, woman, you get it.
Hey, sisters.
What's happening?
No be the fake people. No be the fake people.
And who is the fake people here? Who be the
I don't
fake?
even know your name. I haven't mentioned your name.
Really?
So why do you have to target for yourself?
We don't blame you.
You blame yourself.
We'll deal with you at the public site. We are going to deal with you.
You hear from us.
They are looking so cute. Like, you know, who are those? Like, you know,
I don't know.
one minute.
Next time, come to my house for some.
You hear from us.
Listen.
Come back.
The next time you are coming, Braneba Suye Nyansa, Efie Nyansa, and your Bonti Munyansa.
Hello. Excuse me. Hello, ladies. Oh, please, I beg. Just a minute. I'm calling both of you.
Yeah, how may we help you?
Please, I'm meaning, I don't even know. God, oh my.
How may we help you?
Hello.
Mister, you called us and you are walking out on us.
Oh my
did you
goodness!
say-
Hi. How are you? Please, excuse me. I'm very, very sorry.
You're not serious.
Hey,
You this
you are
girl,
so
right?
beautiful.
I didn't show any accent. Wow.
Oh, thank
We
you.
will come back for you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Look here.
Did I call them? Am I the one who called them? No. But you're so beautiful.
Oh, no, actually, no, like me. I also talk to her. She's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, you're so beautiful. So what's your name?
My name is Diamond.
Oh, that's why you are pranking.
Wait, I want to take my
Everywhere you are pranking.
Nice.
Nice meeting you. I'll hit you on WhatsApp, okay?
Nice meeting you too.
You're super right.
Nice
Okay,
meeting you.
all right.
What's your name?
Prince. Yeah, Prince. My last number is 19.
Okay.
Over to me, crying Prince Abadi. So, do you live around?
Oh, yeah.
So, are you a student or what do you do? You're a student?
No, a student.
I'm sorry. Please, can I get your hello so that we can talk in the... yes.
Okay, no problem.
No problem. I have the Zello already, so the rest is for you.
Okay.
Oh, empty.
And your name?
My name is Dr. Remis. I do Remis.
Remix song.
Music Remis.
Oh, okay. So you are
Friday
music
run
student.
at Tundra. Saturday run at Diasa. This time Remis, yeah. But then it's a fire, can't yeah, my one mama. I call you, Gary Mushawa Rider. Gary Mushawa Rider. Gary Mushawa Rider. I call you.
You're funny.
More than the funny man.
Wow.
I am a remix maker, so check your phone. I just sent you for just your happiness now. Yeah, just welcome donation. I am a professional security. Thank you.
So do you know what?
I don't know what.
I'll be expecting your call.
What? Forgetting, I'm a friend of mine. And I think that you need
Do you know something? I want you to escort me.
escort you. Escort? What were you going now?
I'm going to town.
Town? Okay, so you want to pass?
No,
Let's.
you're so funny.
Oh, you also are so beautiful. In fact, you are so handsome. In fact, some girls like you need to be awareness and produce more children. How would say?
I don't have a child.
You don't have it. Don't do that. Keep on producing so that they will vanish away all the munkum.
Baby, you better me once. You ain't know when you go so.